Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Now I have written one letter to Pope. You have seen that? Oh, where is that paper?
It's in here. Oh, the letter to the... Did he answer?
I have not received any answer. In this paper?
I don't know.
No, not in this paper. Where is the latest? Who is there? Ask to bring one latest. Bring one latest. Yes. So, just that letter, but unfortunately, I received no reply. How is that? I used to cooperate with everyone, but they are declining. What can I do? I am prepared to talk with any God-conscious man. Let us chalk out a program so that people may be benefited. But they want to go in their own stereotyped way. If we see that following a particular type of religious principle, one is developing his love of Godhead, that is first class religion. But if one is developing his love for demon or mammon, then where is the religion?
True. No.
That is our test. If you have developed, we don't say that you follow Christianism or Mohammedanism or Judaism or Hinduism, we don't say. Whether you are developing a love of God. But they deny, I am God. Who is God? I am God. Everyone is taught nowadays that everyone is God. Just see how fun. Everyone is God, do you think? Like that?
You know from Mir Baba?
Huh?
You know,
He is also another rascal. He is preaching this, that everyone is God.
he says he's God.
He is God. Yes. This is going.
You know him?
Huh?
Have you ever seen him?
I am heard his name. I don't care to know these people.
Yeah.
He is making some propaganda. He is God.
He says he hasn't spoken in 40 years. 45 years.
That means people do not know what is God. Suppose if I come to you, if I say I am President Johnson, will you accept me?
No, I don't think I would.
These people rascals are accepting as God because they do not know what is God. That is the defect. We know what is God. Therefore we cannot accept any rascal declaring that he is God. That is the defect.
Well, it's just absolutely absurd that somebody comes down and tells you God.
But how much rascal he is who accepts him as God? He is rascal number one. He is a cheater, and the man who is cheated, he is also another rascal. He does not know what is God. Anybody comes and God. As God has become so cheap, it can be available in the market everywhere.
Well, of course, the Western concept is man is created in the image of God, consequently God must look like man, kind of thing. Therefore, any man can be God or godly.
That's all right. You have got so many scientists, just find out what is the image of God, whether he is form, is not. Where is that department? You have no such department. You have got so many departments, technology department, this department. Where is that department? What is God to know? Is there any department of knowledge?
I don't know. There's no God department working that I know of. I'll tell you that right now.
That is difficult. And here is it. The Krishna conscious movement is the department of knowledge, how to know God. Then he will not accept any rascal as God. He will accept only God as God.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama